X to the 4x equal to 0.25. We want to find x is what? So, because we have a famous thing, and in that famous thing is what is x to the x, famous graph. Here, in 0 undefined, near 0, 1, and in 1, it will be something like this. Okay? So, now here, we want to say that x to the 4x equal to 0.25 is x is what? 0.25 is 1 over 4. Now I want to reach x to the x here. So I use an important thing in power rule, a to the mn equal to a to the mn. So if we raise both sides to the power of 1 over x, it will be x to the 4x times 1 over, sorry, I meant 1 over 4, not 1 over x. 1 over 4, so it will be 1 over 4 equal to 1 over 4 to the power of 1 over 4. Now, left side is x to the 4x times 1 over 4. Right side is 1 over 4 to the power of 1 over 4. Now, if we multiply by 4, we cancel 4, it will be this. So x to the x equal to 1 over 4 to the power of 1 over 4. So one answer is obvious. You can say x equal to 1 over 4. And if we replace it here, left side. Let's check it. 1 over 4, power of 4 times 1 over 4. 1, it will be 1 over 4, which is 0.25. And it's correct, so it is our first answer. Now for this part, you should know Lambert W function is what? It is this W. Let me write it here. W of x times e to the x is x. So here, x to the x is 1 over 4 to the power of 1 over 4. Let's write it as powers. We can say x to the x equal to 2 to the power of negative 2 to the power 1 over 4. It will be 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now we can say x, suppose x, for example, is 2 to the y. Then we conclude 2 to the y, the power of 2 to the y equal to 2 to the negative 1 over 2. So it will be 2 to the y times 2 to the y equal to 2 to the negative 1 over 2. And then we can conclude what here? We can conclude w times 2 to the y equal to negative 1 over 2. Now, again, we can consider that and say w. Instead of 2, we write e to the ln of 2. Okay? So it will be e to the ln of 2 times y. And here, we want to use Lambert W function, so it will be y. If we it will be what y e to the ln of 2y equal to negative 1 over 2. Now, if we multiply by, let me tell you, by ln of 2, it will be ln of 2y e to the ln of 2y equal to negative ln of 2 over 2 here, likes, for example, t. So t e t equal to negative ln of 2 over 2. So if we take Lambert W function like this, left side, let me write a new page. We found that t times e to the t equal to negative ln of 2 over 2. So if we take Lambert W function, w of t times e to the t equal to Lambert W function of negative ln of 2 over 2. And by definition of Lambert W function here, we said left side will be t equal to Lambert W function of negative ln of 2 over 2. Now, t was what? T was y times ln of 2. So y times ln of 2 equal to w of negative ln of 2 over 2. Now, if we divide both sides by ln of 2, so y equal to w of negative ln of 2 over 2 over ln of 2. Now, what's the relationship between y and x? X is 2 to the y. So, x will be 2 to the Lambert W function of negative ln of 2 over ln of 2. And we know 2 equal to e to the power of ln of 2. So Lambert W function of negative ln of 2 over ln of 2. And we can cancel these two things because it will be product because of this rule. And it will be what? It will be e to the power of Lambert W function of negative ln of 2. So the only thing you need to know is this definition, okay, for finding second answer. And it will be something like this, two answers. So one answer was 1 over 4 here. And the other answer is this. Okay, if you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.